July 11, 2014, current time is 10:18 GMT. Jay Meisler here with the summer Friday Forex trading outlook. Now, there's no news coming out today from the U.S. side, and it's been a light economic calendar in general, so we will be watching stocks again and bonds as the market winds down to what has been a very, let's say, indecisive, choppy, still a low volatility market, week actually. And if you look at what's going on right now, it's kind of like a race to the bottom, a race to the top. Which are the safe havens and which are the ones at the lower rung of the chain? And I wrote about that this month in our newsletter. The dollar is both in both camps. The euro really is at the bottom of the food chain right now, and the market really can't make up its mind where to go. So how are we going to trade for the end of the week? Let's just look at the euro dollar and see what it shows. The 20-day moving average is 136.10. We've been trading around it again today. Clearly no change to the key levels. 135.75, 134.75 and 135.75 are the real key levels, along with 135. The figure on the upside, we got 136.50. So between 135.75 and 136.50, anything in the terms of stops are going to be small. If you look at the 4-hour moving averages here, the 200 period is basically flat. You got this 135.75 on the downside. You look at the 1 hour, you got the 200 period moving average, which is now tilting down a little bit, actually interesting, and that comes in at just above today's high at 136.25. So you might want to use that as an indicator. But the 100 hour is kind of flat, and we still have this level here, 135.75. So between 135.75 and 136.50, no incentive to really get involved. You'll have limited follow through, and that's how the market is probably going to trade today. Now, so I mean, low expectations, range, anything outside of a range would be a surprise. Watch stocks, watch bonds, and in the bond, watch the 2.50 level, 2.50%. Is that will be an indicator of whether we are going to some sort of a panic or more high risk off mode. Otherwise, euro basically weak on its crosses, but consolidating today. Now, you know, there's a you've seen me post articles. This one, if you look right here, we've come up with a new analytic tool, and it'll tell you when the market is going to move out of this funk. I call it a funk, which is a low volatility market. This is a really good indicator, one that we're going to keep updating. Click on this link. You'll see our new analytical tool. It's worth looking at, worth reading, because you got to prepare for the time these markets will finally add some volatility. So that's it for now. Remember, here's the link. It's embedded in the video. Just click on it. Good luck with trading, and look forward to a more active, at least economic calendar next week.